CAPA, Corrective Action and Preventive Action. Namaste and welcome to Pharma Knowledge Forum. In this session, you will learn what is the CAPA, how and where CAPA is implemented. What is the CAPA? The approach of using innovative skills and experience to tackle current issues and prevent future problems while considering quality, safety, efficacy, and cost effectiveness is called CAPA. From the definition, it is clear that CAPA deals with the two types of issues. First is the current issues, second is the future problems, that is potential issues. When an approach deals with the current issues, then it is called corrective action. When an approach deals with the future problems, that is potential issues, then it is called preventive action. Mathematically, we can say that kappa is a sum of corrective action and preventive action. Kappa can be simply defined as an innovative approach of resolving current issues and preventive potential issue considering quality, safety, efficacy, and cost effectiveness is called kappa. Now question comes, what is the difference between corrective action and preventive action? In corrective action, whenever a problem comes at the same time, action started to resolve the issue. Hence, it comes under the reactive approach. In preventive action, existing knowledge is used to avoid future problem or prevent potential issues. Hence, PA, that is preventive action, comes under the proactive action. Implementation plan. It contains 5 steps implementation plan. First is identification, second is evaluation, third is investigation and root cause determination, fourth is resolution plan, fifth is implementation. Identification. In this step, all the information related to event is accumulated. For example, what is the event, what is involved in that event, where is the event seen, when did the event happens. Next is evaluation. In this step, all the components which can affect quality and safety are accumulated. For example, is it affecting customer safety? Is it having an impact on regulatory documents? Is this affecting documents or product design and materials or product performance? Has this event appeared in the past? I am going to discuss in details taking case example in the next slide. Case study: failure of a paracetamol drug lot in the impurity profile analysis test at the customer end. A paracetamol drug substance with the following as specification and actual result was sent to the customer. Impurity A limit was not more than 0.15%. Actual result was 0.06%. Any unknown impurity limit was not more than 0.10%. Actual result was 0.05%. Total impurity limit was not more than 0.30%. Actual result was 0.11%. Since sample was passing in the impurity profile test and other test parameter, and hence lot was released and sent to the customer. But when customer analyzed paracetamol of the same lot, he found higher result for impurity A. He found the result of impurity A 0.30%, which is out of the specification. Therefore, batch was rejected. After that, it was decided to resolve this issue implementing CAPA. Possible root cause of the failure of the result. HPLC method was used for the analysis. Hence, it may be method, it may be column, It may be calibration of the instrument, it may be validation of the method, it may be sample preparation. While reviewing the method, it was found that both customer and manufacturer use the same method. While reviewing the column, it was observed that both customer and manufacturer use the same brand column. Both HPLC systems were calibrated. Validation method was used. Now, what next? Sample preparation. Sample preparation procedure. While investigating the sample preparation procedure, it was observed that the sending lab was preparing the sample by sonication at lower temperature using the ice in the sonicator bath. The customer also followed the same procedure except for the sonication temperature. Sonication was made at room temperature since the temperature was not mentioned in the method monograph. When the sample was prepared at low temperature using the ice in the sonicator bath, the same result was obtained. Hence, higher temperature was the root cause of the out of specification, that is OS result for the impurity A in the paracetamol. The issue was that at higher temperature, paracetamol was degrading into the impurity A. The sample preparation procedure was included in the method and revised method was sent to the all concerned person. Typical examples of CAPA. CAPA may be related to customer complaints. CAPA may be related to deficiency letters like DL on standard qualification, DL on validation, DL on identification. CAPA may be related to failure of result. CAPA may be related to failure of chemical experiments, experiment related to R&D or experiment related to manufacturing plant. CAPA may be related to failure of system suitability test in during GC and HPLC analysis, like failure of tailing factor, failure of resolution, failure of theoretical plate. Advantages of CAPA. It provides better customer satisfaction, safety, and security. It improves productivity and product quality. It reduces cost of regulatory non-compliance like fines, penalties, etc. It helps in audit compliance. This is all about this session. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Now, Pharma Knowledge Forum started online courses on different pharmaceutical topics like analytical method development for chiral and achiral molecules, analytical method validation, impurity control strategy, and several other topics. You can find the details by visiting on my website pharmaknowledgeforum.com, or you can contact me by email or by WhatsApp. Thank you. Let us see you in the next session.